They told you that all cheese is comforting, nourishing, and good for you. But here's the truth. No one in the dairy aisle will say out loud. After 60, the wrong cheese can quietly double your risk of heart attack, raise your stroke risk by up to 80%, and even slash your chance of reaching 80 by nearly half. And here's the kicker. Almost every senior is eating these risky cheeses without a second thought. But don't worry, the story doesn't end there. Because while some cheeses are hidden saboteurs that overload your heart, kidneys, and arteries, others are nothing short of superfoods in disguise. These miracle cheeses can strengthen your bones, protect your arteries, improve digestion, and even help you maintain muscle mass as you age. In today's video, we're exposing the 4 worst cheeses you should never touch after 60, and revealing the 4 best cheeses you must eat daily if you want to stay mobile, independent, and vibrant well into your golden years. And here's a teaser. The number 1 worst cheese on our list could skyrocket your stroke risk, and you've probably eaten it this week. On the flip side, the number 1 best cheese contains compounds so powerful that European researchers have found it helps seniors maintain muscle better than meat. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, which cheese do you eat most often, and where are you watching us from? We're reading and replying to every comment with personalized health tips. Now, let's begin with the worst cheeses you need to push off your plate immediately. Worst cheese number 4, processed cheese slices. They're bright, convenient, and wrapped in neat little plastic squares. But those cheese slices you stack on sandwiches are anything but real cheese. In fact, less than half of what's inside the wrapper is actual dairy. The rest is a cocktail of emulsifiers, preservatives, artificial colors, and phosphates that your body was never designed to handle. Let me clarify why this cheese is so bad. Number 1, sodium overload, and the wrong kind. 2 slices of processed cheese can pack over 600 milligrams of sodium, already a quarter of your daily safe limit. But it's not just the amount, it's the form. Much of that sodium comes as sodium phosphate, which is far more damaging than regular table salt. Studies show excess phosphates can accelerate kidney decline, increase the risk of arterial stiffness and heart disease, and speed up the aging of blood vessels and skin. For seniors already managing blood pressure or kidney issues, these slices are like throwing gasoline on the fire. Number 2, gut-damaging additives. Processed cheese contains emulsifiers like polysorbate 80 and carboxymethylcellulose. Research links these additives to gut microbiome disruption and leaky gut, which can trigger body-wide inflammation. That inflammation doesn't just hurt digestion. It can make arthritis, joint pain, and even memory decline worse. Number 3, artificial colors and preservatives. The bright orange color often comes from yellow 5 or yellow 6, artificial dyes tied to allergic reactions and even cancer risk in long-term studies. Preservatives such as sorbic acid and natamycin extend shelf life but may interfere with healthy gut bacteria over time. Number 4, hidden trans fats. Even when the label says 0 grams trans fat, processed cheese can legally contain up to 0.5 grams per slice. That may sound small, but eaten regularly, it builds up, raising bad cholesterol and fueling inflammation. Bottom line for seniors, processed cheese slices may look harmless, but they are a toxic cocktail disguised as dairy. With high sodium phosphates, gut-disrupting emulsifiers, artificial colors, and hidden trans fats, they silently chip away at your heart, kidneys, and memory. For seniors over 60, avoiding them isn't optional. It's essential. Worst cheese number 3, cheese spreads in jars. If processed cheese slices were bad, this one takes it a step further. Let's talk about those shelf-stable cheese spreads sitting in jars that don't even need refrigeration until after you open them. That alone should raise a red flag. Real cheese is a living food. If a cheese can sit on a shelf for months or even years without spoiling, it's no longer real food. It's a chemical construction. Cheese spreads often contain more modified starches, oils, and chemicals than actual dairy. To keep them soft and spreadable, manufacturers load them with artificial fats and stabilizers that strip away nearly every nutritional benefit of real cheese. Most jarred cheese spreads contain partially hydrogenated oils, artificial trans fats strongly linked to heart disease. Even intrasterified fats used in so-called trans fat-free versions may be just as harmful. Add excessive sodium, often over 500 milligrams in just 2 teaspoons, and hidden MSG-type flavor enhancers that can trigger headaches, palpitations, and anxiety. Packaging adds another danger. Hormone-disrupting phthalates can leach from plastic containers into the spread itself. Research links them to metabolic disorders, reproductive issues, and certain cancers. Bottom line for seniors: jarred cheese spreads are cheese in name only. They offer zero meaningful nutrition and plenty of risks. Skip the jar entirely. Worst cheese number 2, pre-shredded cheese in bags. Pre-shredded cheese looks convenient, but convenience comes at a cost. To prevent clumping, manufacturers coat the shreds with anti-caking agents like cellulose. While not toxic, cellulose is indigestible and can cause bloating, discomfort, and poor nutrient absorption in seniors with sensitive digestion. Most pre-shredded cheeses also contain natamycin, an antifungal agent. While considered safe, regular exposure can disrupt the gut microbiome, weakening immunity and increasing inflammation. The shredding process exposes more surface area, accelerating oxidation and nutrient loss. It also increases contamination risk. Multiple recalls have linked pre-shredded cheeses to Listeria and E. coli. Bottom line: buy cheese in blocks and shred it fresh at home. Worst cheese number 1, blue cheese. Blue cheese may look elegant, but for seniors, it's the most dangerous cheese you can eat. It's loaded with tyramine, which can cause dangerous spikes in blood pressure, especially in people taking certain medications. It's also high in histamines, triggering headaches, inflammation, digestive upset, and insomnia. The mold used to create blue veins produces mycotoxins. In seniors, these toxins can accumulate, contributing to chronic fatigue, brain fog, and joint pain. Add very high sodium and inflammatory saturated fats, and blue cheese becomes a perfect storm for heart disease and stroke. Bottom line: blue cheese is a health trap seniors should eliminate completely. Now let's flip the script. Because some cheeses don't harm you, they help you thrive. Best cheese number 4, aged Gouda. Aged Gouda becomes more powerful with time. After 18 months, its proteins are partially predigested, making them easier to absorb. It's one of the richest natural sources of vitamin K2, which directs calcium into bones and away from arteries. Just 1 ounce provides more K2 than most people get in an entire week. Best cheese number 3, authentic Parmesan Reggiano. Real Parmesan is packed with highly digestible protein, nearly 100% absorbable calcium, and brain-supporting amino acids. It's virtually lactose-free and supports gut health, immunity, and bone strength. Best cheese number 2, grass-fed raw cheddar. This cheese delivers omega-3s, CLA, vitamins A, D, E, and K2, plus living probiotics and enzymes. It supports gut health, brain function, bone density, and inflammation control. Best cheese number 1, Swiss Gruyère. Gruyère is a nutritional powerhouse. Its fermentation produces compounds that lower inflammation, cholesterol, and blood pressure. It boosts glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, supports muscle mass, strengthens bones, and protects the heart. Bottom line: after 60, cheese can either be a health hazard or a longevity superfood. The choice depends on what you put on your plate. Now tell us in the comments, which cheese do you eat most often, and which one will you swap starting today? We read and reply to every comment. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because your choices today are what keep your body strong, your mind sharp, and your independence secure tomorrow.